You have just received a Fisher & Paykel healthcare mask for use with your CPAP. In addition to this video, you should also consult your instruction manual for additional information about specific warnings and safety precautions. Some of the steps about to be demonstrated may already have been covered by your home care professional. Included in your mask box is one fully assembled, ready-to-use mask and a user-friendly fitting guide. Open your box and remove the fitting guide. Follow the simple fitting instructions in this guide until you are familiar with your mask. Take the mask from the box and remove the protective cover. Unhook one side of the headgear from the grey glider strap. Holding your mask in one hand, open out the headgear with your free hand. Lightly hold the mask over your nose, sliding the headgear over your head. Hook the headgear to the glider strap. Pull the lower straps as low as possible down the back of your neck. If necessary, adjust the tension in the top and bottom straps to ensure a secure fit. The forehead pads should rest gently on your forehead without the top straps being pulled too tight. To remove the mask, unhook the headgear from the glider strap. Your CPAP should be used every time you sleep. After fitting your mask, turn your CPAP on. Then attach the tubing to your mask. Once in a sleeping position, you may need to make some fine adjustments to the mask.